Hello friends, Advanced Web Designing CSS. Today's topic is internal cascading style sheets and its example. Let's see the example of internal cascading style sheet. See, I have already made one example that is given in the book in Notepad. Let's see how the internal style sheet works. In inline style sheet, we have taken the attribute for particular tag and we have set it as style. But on other hand, in internal style sheet, you have to use a style tag. In in between head tag, you should only use this style tag in head tag only for internal style sheet. We have seen this format already, that is, this is what your selector, this is your property, and this is value, and you should know this is the declaration block and this is selector. In between style tag, and this style tag can only be used in head tag. So the color of h1 should be red in the output of the program. We haven't set any attributes for p tag here. We will set it after. First we will run this program. See, in h1 the color is appearing red here and the paragraph tag is not getting affected. But now I will make it, let's see, if I take p tag as selector and its color attribute is blue, then it will be appear blue here. If I refresh this, then it will appear blue. You can see this. And if I want to add the properties like font size colon is 30 pixel, then the paragraph font size will be 30 pixel. If I refresh this will appear a in 30 pixels with the color blue, as we have set it in the style tag. So you can use the style tag like this. You can internal style sheet more tags like h1, p. I can also take h2 here. If I take h2 and if I choose the color property of h2 is suppose green, and I have to use that h1 tag in the program. Let's see, I am using this. If I take in between here h2 tag and let's refresh this, then the color of h2 tag will be green. Sorry, h2. Tag will be green and the color of h1 tag will be red here. So this is all about internal style sheet. So you have to understand here, I am setting the properties here in the head tag and using the tag simply as you use in the regular program. So the in style sheet you have, if you want to internal style sheet, then you should take the style tag block in head tag and set the properties of particular tags, and you should simply use it in the body tag. I hope you understand this. Thank you so much.